Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule messages in Slack. This is a fantastic way to stay organized and respect your team's boundaries across different time zones. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open the Workflow Builder. The plus icon is your shortcut to all of Slack's advanced automation tools. Look at the bottom of your left sidebar, just above your profile picture, and click the plus icon. From the menu that pops up, select Workflow Builder. This will open a new window where you can see all existing automations or start a brand new one from scratch. Step 2. Choose your trigger. A trigger is the event that tells Slack when to start the automation. Click the Create button and choose Scheduled Date and Time as your trigger. This is where you set the frequency. You can tell Slack to send this message every day, every Tuesday at 10 a.m., or even every third Wednesday of the month. Once you've set the schedule, click Next to move to the message itself. Step 3. Design the message step. Now you tell Slack exactly what to say and where to say it. Click Add Step and select Send a Message. Choose the specific channel where the message should go. Type your announcement or reminder in the text box. Because this is a workflow, you can even include variables like the current date or the name of the person who triggered it. Click Save, then hit Publish in the top right corner. Your message is now officially automated and will run on its own until you turn it off. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.